Hey everyone, Blake here with Cali Raised LED, and today we are going to be showing you the installation of our awesome Raptor style grill lights. We have these lights available in 3 configurations, which you can see here. We have an amber with a smoked lens, we have an amber with an amber lens, and we have an amber with a clear lens. As you can see, these add a great aggressive look to the front end of your vehicle, and with an easy installation and an affordable price, it cannot be beat. Head over to our website, caliraisedled.com, and get yours today. So step 1 to this installation is going to be removing this top plastic cover so we can access behind the grill to install the lights. To remove this cover, there's a lot of little clips holding it down. All of these clips come out the same way. It's very simple. All you have to do for these clips is I like to use a flat screwdriver, a very compact one, but you can use a pick or anything else really, a knife. And all you do is you press down the center of the tab and then you just lift up and it'll pop right out. So we're gonna do this with all of the little tabs on this plastic cover. We have to get all of the tabs out so we can remove this to get behind the grill. So now I'm gonna go pull all these out. One thing is I like to use a little box to put them in so that they don't get lost, because they always tend to fall down in the engine and you never find them. So that's a good little trick. We got all the little tabs pulled out and this piece will just come right out. So basically the grill will be in between the light and this back plate. We use these small screws to help keep the lights in place. All you're gonna do is screw the screws onto the back, and that will keep the light from falling out from the grill. So we're gonna put the 3 lights in, and then we're gonna attach the screws to hold them into place. Now that we have our lights installed in the grill, it's time to plug them in. These are all plug and play, so all you're gonna do is take the small lead on the back of the light and plug it in like so. It has a little latch, so it'll clip and lock into place. Now it's time to wire the lights. For this application, we are going to be using an fuse, which we have removed the plug end off of the red power wire so we could add the fuse. And then we are going to leave the ground cable as is with the little connector. The fuse we are going to connect it to is on the fuse block right next to the battery. It is going to be your EFI 2 fuse. When you pull the cover off, it will have them all labeled. Make sure to grab the EFI 2 fuse. Now we have our fuse connected, we are going to ground the ground wire. We like to do this right here next to the battery. All you have to do is slide this behind and then tighten it down. This is going to be a 10 millimeter. Now that we have it tapped into our fuse and grounded, we're gonna reinstall the fuse cover. So just to do that, you're gonna do what you did in the opposite of taking it off, sliding it back there, and it clicks right into place. Now your lights are connected, and when you turn the ignition on the vehicle, the lights will turn on with it. Now we have to do the final step of putting this top cover back on. All you have to do is lay it on the top and then take your box with all your little clips inside. And what you have to do is you have to get these to pop back out. So all I do is set them on the top and press down so they come out like that. And then you just have to line them up with the hole, press them on, and put them right back into place. So you're gonna have to do this on all of the holes to get these back into their appropriate location.